Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best portable cordless car vacuum on the market. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the CICKH LT151ET Portable Cordless Car Vacuum, highlighting its features, performance, and why it stands out. Let's get started. Product features. Powerful suction. The cyclic LT151ET uses advanced cyclonic technology and a high-speed 72,000 RPM motor to deliver 15,000 PA suction. It effortlessly picks up dust, debris, pet hair, and crumbs from carpets, seats, and tight corners. Versatile attachments. It comes with a long suction nozzle, brush nozzle, and an extended hose for hard-to-reach areas. Perfect for car interiors, sofas, curtains, and other tricky spots. Cleaning has never been easier. Long-lasting battery. The high-capacity 7800 mAh battery provides up to 30 minutes of continuous runtime. But Type-C charging port allows a full recharge in just 3.5 hours, so it's always ready when you need it. Dual filtration system. Featuring two replaceable HEPA filters and a washable metal filter, this vacuum reduces clogging, ensures sustained suction, and traps fine dust particles. Clean air and clean surfaces go hand in hand. Spacious dust bin. A 400 ml dustbin collects more dirt before needing emptying, making cleaning sessions longer and more convenient. The easy-to-release design makes debris disposal quick and mess-free. Ergonomic and lightweight, weighing only 1.7 pounds with a comfortable handle and smart lock for continuous operation, it's designed for extended cleaning without hand fatigue. The top air outlet prevents dust from escaping, keeping your environment clean. Portable and stylish, its compact size and sleek design make it ideal for home, car, office, or even travel. Carry it in your backpack or store it in your car without taking up much space. Pros: strong 15,000 PA suction for deep cleaning, multiple attachments for versatile use, lightweight and ergonomic for easy handling, long-lasting battery with fast Type-C charging, dual filtration system for clean, dust-free air, compact and portable for home or car use. Cons: 30-minute runtime may require recharge for extensive cleaning. Dustbin could need frequent emptying for very large messes. Small size may not be ideal for floor-to-ceiling home cleaning. Final thoughts. The CARK LT151ET Portable Cordless Car Vacuum combines power, convenience, and portability into one sleek device. Its robust suction, versatile attachments, long battery life, and ergonomic design make it perfect for both vehicle and home cleaning. Whether tackling daily dust or deep cleaning carpets, this vacuum ensures efficiency, comfort, and style. Keep your car and home spotless with ease. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Tech Product and like this video for more helpful tech reviews and cleaning solutions.